we're not, we should be, because that's what it means.
Cheese.
Well, it means all of us. We are brought to justice.
You say cheese. Say cheese. Say love you. Say love you. Mwah.
She didn't want to do, which we all wanted her to do. She's now gone and done.
That's correct.
Why? Yeah.